Hello, Professor. My name is Mayank Thakur. Student ID 3011799266. For the exercise 1, I have created the array of answers with the limit of 5. To stimulate the question, to print the question, I have created the for loop and have given the limit of the length of the total questions, total answers over here. To start initialized to the 0, and unless it's a less than the length of answer, it will increment by 1. Now, if I equal to 0, it will print the first question with the all four options. When the user will input the answer, the answer will go to the check answer with the value of I equal to 0. uh, uh, the, the simulate question will do the same for all the questions. After the user give the answer, this way it will go to the check answer. To check the answer, I have used the switch loop. When I equal to 0, it will be the case 0. The given answer, the system will check if the given answer is correct to the stored answer in the system. It will generate a message and it will increment the number of correct answers. Otherwise, it will print the another message. It will do the same for all the questions. Now, to generate the message, I have used the secure random number equal to new secure random. Now, if the value of a over here is true, it will print one of these string. Otherwise, it will print one of these strings. Now, it will give by the using input answer. This will give the this will uh, call the uh, for this in the input answer, we will call the stimulate question, and user will able to input their answer. First, uh, it will print the number of correct answers which have been stored by this have been the value of will determined by this thing. After then, it will, by using the total question minus correct answer, will give the incorrect answer, and by using this formula, it will give the percentage of correct answer, and last it will print the percentage. Now, to test this, it will test over here. So now, when we give the answer, it will show the if it's true. See, it's a true. Now again, it will do the same thing for all the questions. If I give the wrong answer, it will show the other strings. Now here it will show the correct answer, incorrect answer, the percentage, and everything. Now to the exercise number 2, the Lotto game. Over here I have created the object name game1, and have okay. So first I have created the uh, array of number. I have used the secure random to create the random numbers. Now over here, integer the parse int so dialog. This will give the user to option to select the number between 3 to 27, and after that it will generate the three random numbers and it will store to the value of I. And it will by using this array.to string, it will print the selected number. It's over here. Now the Lotto game, we have used the we have given the five option to the player to guess the actual number. First, it will show the dialog of run the game, and it will start the game. After then, by using the the generated number over from here, over here, it will the all the values will store in 0 1 and 2, and it will be the total of the number, and the number will be printed over here. If the guessed number by the user will be equal to the total of three random numbers, it will print the message of the winning of game. Otherwise, if the user have tried four options, then it will uh, do the thing that it will say that you have failed in the game. Let's run this class. Okay, so I'm guessing the number 5. So now run the game. It's not the question. It's not the number that I have guessed. It's again not the number I have guessed, and it's again not the number of I've guessed. It's the last time. So still, it's not the number of I what I've guessed. It will explain that you cannot defeat the computer. So this was the exercise number 2. Now the exercise number 3. For the exercise number 3, it's very simple. For the first multiplication, I've used the two different integers to return the multiplication of the two numbers. In another multiplication, I have passed one parameter integer a, and I have assigned the value of a to the in the while printing over here. And while in another one, I have passed the two parameters a and b, and passed the value of them over here. So when I run this exercise, it will show when there is no argument. It will show the multiplication if it's a one argument, and it's a two arguments. Over here it will do uh, the this is how my written code works. So this was the presentation for lab 2. um, Thank you so much.